Hi viewers, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Today we'll be looking at other uses of them in Nigerian Pidgin English. Most people know the word them in Nigerian Pidgin to be generally used as personal pronouns. They or them in English. For example, invite them to the show. Give them the money. Then they busy. Then be my classmates. However, the uses of them in Nigerian Pidgin English is also shifting from being a personal marker to becoming a plural marker with indefinite quantifying values. Let's look at these examples. I invite Gladys them to my party. Them here takes a plural marker for others. I invited Gladys and others to my party. He denied workers them their salary. Them here is laying emphasis to the plural workers. He denied the workers their salaries. Them in Nigerian Pidgin English can only be used to post-modify definite animate nouns as a plural marker. In number one, it connotes the notion that Gladys was invited with another person or a company of people by the speaker. Whereas in number two, them is used to mark plurality in the same sense of pluralizing suffix s in English. The sentences mentioned could also take negative and question forms. Let's look at the negative examples. I no invite Gladys them to my party. I didn't invite Gladys and others to my party. He no deny workers them their salary. He didn't deny the workers their salaries. Now let's look at interrogative examples. The interrogative examples take the same structure and word order as the affirmative examples. The only change is in the intonation and in the addition of the question mark. I invite Gladys them to my party. Did I invite Gladys and others to my party? He denied workers them their salary. Did he deny the workers their salaries? With a bit of practice, I trust you'll be able to use them, not just as a personal pronoun henceforth. Guys, that's all we have for today. Make the best of your day. I still remain baffled. See you in my next video. Peace is in. Bye.